MoonLight Manifestation Reviews. What is the MoonLight Manifestation Program? The MoonLight Manifestation Program is a 3-second ritual before bed to lift you up and awaken your hidden gifts of manifestation. This bedtime ritual completely rewrites your subconscious mind and allows you to manifest your every desire. MoonLight Manifestation is a manifestation program that helps you to manifest your desired life and income as you sleep. If you want to earn more, live your passion, and manifest the income you deserve, this MoonLight Manifestation Program is for you. It is a comprehensive guide that works flawlessly, and the only thing you have to do is simply listen to the audio file you get with the program just before your bed. The MoonLight Manifestation Program includes 3 series of full sound journeys: the Income Manifestation series, the Unstoppable Motivation series, and the Unlock Your Quantum Magic series. By hearing each audio file before bed, you will be able to manifest your desired life, income, and relationship overnight. How does the MoonLight Manifestation Program work? The MoonLight Manifestation Program starts with 2 main sound journeys which are encoded with 32 levels of vibrational layering. The first sound journey is called Abundance Rising. This Abundance Rising sound journey helps you to set your magic number. You have to listen to this audio before going to bed, and your desired life story will be written in your subconscious mind while sleeping. The second sound journey, and the most important among the sound journeys, is the vibrational layering sound journey. It is also known as Divine Block Dissolver. Hearing this audio before bed helps you to clear all obstacles keeping you from reaching your dream income and job. All the fears, beliefs, and traumas that hold you back from achieving your dreams will disappear overnight. Also, the next morning you will wake up bursting with energy and feeling lighter. These 2 sound journeys themselves are packed with so much transformative power that all you need to manifest your dream income and life. The third sound journey series is the Unlock Your Quantum Magic series. This series is to unlock your new talents overnight. It will supercharge your brain memory, and your speaking, communication, and writing skills get upgraded. It all happens in your sleep, and everything in your life gets a higher level of transformation overnight. The Overnight Health series, Overnight Hypnotic Healer series, and the Sweet Dreams Listening app are also meant to manifest your desire and dreams. The Overnight Health series helps you to get good health along with achieving good financial stability.